If you are a parent of an year 7 or 8 student, and if you want your child to excel in mathematics, you must know about International Math Olympiad and UK Math Challenge. In this video, I am going to explain the history of International Math Olympiad and the process of getting selected into the Olympiad, and what are the steps you can do to help your child to be better at mathematics. What is International Math Olympiad? It is the Olympics of mathematics conducted for children under the age of 20, pre-university students, and countries send their best mathematical talent to compete in the Math Olympiad. Every year, more than 100 countries participate. In UK, a trust for UK Math Trust is coordinating this operation. In primary levels, there is something called Junior Math Challenge. The first Math Olympiad was held in Romania in 1959. This was after the World War. People thought there should be some cooperation and development in mathematics. That's how they started. This was an Eastern European initiative, but soon all other countries from Asia, Europe, Australia, America, every country joined this program. Now more than 100 countries participate. Of course, there was 1 year there was no Math Olympiad. That was 1980 because of some political issues in Mongolia. The Olympiad was cancelled. Otherwise, every year it is being held. Every country can send 6 participants with a team leader and deputy team leader. The competition consists of 6 problems. Participants will get 2 days or 4.5 hours each to solve 3 problems each. Every day they just need to solve 3 problems. And each question has got 7 points or marks, and whoever gets the most wins. This competition do not allow use of calculator. You are not allowed protractor. You don't need to use calculus. No college level mathematics is needed. It is still the basic mathematics. The depth of the questions or the creativity or problem solving thinking you need to apply is much deeper than school level. Selection process for the International Math Olympiad, it varies by the countries. Now, certain Eastern Asian countries do the competition exactly based on IMO style, 6 questions style. Whereas in China, students are sent to a camp. They prepare them from the very early ages as they do, and you will see the results. And in countries like UK and USA, they have different levels with the increasing difficulty. And students qualify level by level after level and ultimately reach into the IMO level. Here are the list of hosts and winners from 2015, last 10 years. And here you can see 2015 and 16, United States was the winner, but you can see most of the time China was winning. They are really serious into that, and this is where I said they send students into the mathematical camps and then prepare them early on. Here are the national achievements. China has won 25 times, Russia 16, United States 9, Hungary 6, and you can see the rest of the countries. Now talking about UK participation in International Math Olympiad. UK first joined IMO back in 1967. Since 1991, it's a sub-trust called BMO, or British Math Olympiad subgroup, is coordinating the activities for preparing students to join the International Math Olympiad. UK has participated 58 times out of the 66 times the Olympiad was held, because UK first joined in 1967. Olympiad started back in 1959. So here are the UK's notable achievements. UK did not win the International Math Olympiad so far, but every year UK makes some notable achievements. UK has hosted Olympiad thrice. 1979, UK hosted International Math Olympiad in London, 2000 in Glasgow, and 2019 it was held in Bath, UK. UK has won gold medals in individual levels. Out of these 6 students, many have won gold medals, sometimes 3, sometimes 2. And in European leagues, we are strong in Europe. Here is the International Math Olympiad press release from 2024. You can see Alex Chui was the gold medalist, and he is only an year 11 student. And if he wins 2 more times before he leaves the A level, he will be a record holder. Other students mostly are 11th year 13 students, and the UK was 6th place in 2024. These are the levels. UK Math Challenge for year 7s and 8s. This is called Junior Math Challenge. Top 40% of the students earn bronze, silver, and gold based on their mark achieved. Then for year 9 to 11, it is Intermediate Math Challenge. They get certificate and follow on rounds. In year 12 and 13, they can compete in Senior Math Challenge. This is where the students are selected to British Math Olympiad. And from there, the International Math Olympiad squad is formed, and they were trained specifically. And next level is International Math Olympiad. The criteria is under 20 years old, pre-university, 6 students per country. JMC Pathway, Junior Math Challenge Pathway. 700,000 students enter every year. Bronze, silver, gold medals, top 40%. Junior Kangaroo, they send the students an invitation if they get top marks, only 5 to 8%. Junior Mathematical Olympiad participants also get the invitation to join. That's again 1 to 2% students. Maybe wondering what should be the mark. The total mark for the challenge is 135, and if the child gets 54, they get bronze, silver 73, gold 91, and they get the certificates. And the next level is important, Junior Kangaroo. They will be invited for the next follow-up level. Junior Math Olympiad is 125 plus. They get invitation. We are working on Junior Math Challenge onwards. From year 7, 8, if we prepare students good on maths, and slowly but steadily, they should be able to face up to this challenge. This Junior Math Challenge is 60 minutes, 25 questions, multiple choice questions. And there is no online exams. It's based on paper only. Benefits, sharpens problem solving and creativity. They have to think. Builds resilience under pressure. It is a time-bound and high-pressure examination. Direct link to GCSE A level. These topics are being creatively used to create problems. Boost university admissions. Most universities give or accept Math Olympiad as a super curricular activity. They can put in their application. Transferables. You can use these mathematical skills in programming, finance, data science. So how we prepare our students? We have small batches, typically 5 students, and our plan is to conduct lessons twice every week with a homework. And by year 7 and 8, they should be able to finish all the key stage 3 topic. And by the sides, we'll be giving them Olympiad style questions. Our key performance indicator will be for the students to achieve bronze, silver, gold in year 7, and gold and kangaroo in year 8. And we'll be working on this. Okay. Why parents should care? This gives them that confidence. Yes, I am top of the class. I am working something special. This gives that academic reputation. Teachers will be noting, and it can unlock scholarships and super curricular activities from school level and from district regional level and all. This can foolproof your child problem solving minds. Here, a question from JMC to 2019, question number 4. If the side length of the square is 10, that means the total length is 10 centimeter. This, they are asking to find the area of the square inside. Okay? It's not a straightforward problem. The logical thinking should be this is a midpoint. That means this is going to be 5, this is going to be 5, this is going to be 5. Half of this side is 5. And you can see this is a right angled triangle. And using Pythagoras theorem, you can calculate this side using square root of 5 square plus 5 square. This is going to be square root of 25 plus 25, which is going to be square root of 50. So that side is going to be square root of 50. Now, you are not allowed to use calculator. And you know this is being a square, this side is also going to be square root of 50. And the area is square root of 50 times square root of 50, which is going to be 50. There you go. Answer. The questions will make students think out of the box. It's not a straightforward thing. If your child has achieved more than 115 in their SATs examination, and you think your child is interested in maths and they can do well with this training, please feel free to book a call with me. Link is in the description.